Hi, I'm Brandon Darkangel with 3Disc. I'm the Vice President of Sales. And I wanted to go through an unboxing today to show you how to unbox your new Heron scanner. So thank you for your business. And again, this is just a simple unboxing video to show the plug and play capabilities of the Heron iOS and how easy it is to go from unboxing to scanning. So we have our Heron iOS scanner right from the mail, as well as our included dedicated acquisition PC from Lenovo. So first, we'll go ahead and unbox the Heron iOS. So there is your new 3-disc scanner. These sleeves can sometimes be a little tight. I find the easiest way is to turn it sideways, grab it from the ends, and slide off the cover. Then within the box, there's a little flap, so make sure it's the right side up so you don't dump out your scanner. Open up the scanner. Inside, you'll notice we have the Heron scanner and 2 tips. As I dig a little bit further underneath here, we just have a sleeve. And as I lift the scanner off, you'll notice inside the box, we've got a few little other cables and a base and such. The first thing is a quick start user guide. You'll notice a QR code. You can scan it with your phone and get a downloadable instruction manual. Also in here, we have a cable. If you look at this, this is a USB on one side and a different connection on the other side. This is for the base of the scanner to connect it to the PC. We also have our power supply. So within here, we have our actual power base and then a handful of different adapters for different countries. For today, we'll use the US adapter and put the rest in the box. This just simply slides on and allows you to plug it in the wall. Now make sure that's secure and you hear it click, and then we'll just unwind the other end. This connects from the wall unit to the base for the scanner. I'm going to carefully just remove the scanner cord and pull out the entire base. So that's everything from the box except the 2 tips. These 2 tips you'd want to take out. You'd want to autoclave these before you use them. So the scanner cradles into the base long ways and it holds it. This is a heavy base, so it doesn't really move from your tabletop. You can also mount this to the wall, but for today we'll just do it on the base. Inside the base, you'll notice 2 plugs. One round one for the power to the base, and then the different connection which connects the scanner to the laptop plugs in here as well. And then those just come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. I'm gonna pull out the Lenovo P15 managed acquisition PC. And here we have our power supply, which is just a standard PC power supply. Let me kind of undo the cords here. The one end goes into the power supply, the other end is for the wall, and then you have the connection that goes to the computer itself. This is a fully managed PC, so this comes out of the box, ready to scan. We also manage all of the updates for you on this computer, so you don't have to run Windows updates. You don't have to worry about graphic card settings being changed, things like that. This is meant to work directly out of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead now and plug in the power under here. So I plugged in the scanner power. And now I'll plug in the power for the PC. Then I will take the power for the computer, and I believe that plugs in right on the back. And then the scanner USB can go really on either side. I'll plug it on this side for now. And I'm ready to turn on the computer. So I'm gonna kind of turn this so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna hit the power button. You'll notice that there is an orange light if you can see it, so the scanner is powered on. So you'll notice here, there's an icon for the Heron Clinic software. You're either gonna see it here in the taskbar or up here in the upper left. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the software, and you'll notice that it starts. Now for a first-time user, you can click on Heron Clinic, and in a different tutorial video, I'll get into how to set up a user account, but to start scanning, we'll click on Heron Clinic. We're gonna create, well, I could start scanning initially, but in this case, I'll create a new patient. I'm just gonna do a test patient. You do need a first and a last name, so I'll just do test, and I'm gonna hit create. At this point now, I'm gonna add a case. I'll select a tooth number. And for this particular case, I'm just gonna do a simple anatomy crown, and I'm gonna click next. Take the Heron scanner out of the cradle. You'll notice a button here. This starts the scanning. I'm gonna grab a Typodot. I'm gonna push the button, and the scanner will activate. This is an upper arch. I'm gonna go in, and I can immediately start scanning either a model or a patient. To stop scanning, I push the acquisition button. It will process that data, and you're ready to go. So as you can see, from packaging to out of the box and scanning, this is really quick and really easy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call your local salesperson or 3Disc support. Thank you for purchasing your Heron IOS.